I'm a Celebrity. Get me out of here. Power couple Joe Swash and Stacey Solomon are planning to get married this July, but the pair were friends before they eventually started dating. When they first met, Stacey was coupled up with someone else, which left Joe feeling gutted. The couple's story began in 2010, when Stacey won the 10th season of I'm a Celebrity. Stacey had only recently shot to stardom in 2009 after placing third in The X Factor, winning over the hearts of the nation with her silky smooth vocals. Meanwhile, former EastEnders star Joe had won I'm a Celeb back in 2008 and met Stacey on its spin-off show, I'm a Celebrity. Get me out of here. Now. The vocalist became a guest on the show the following year, and the pair became good friends. Joe has since admitted that he had harbored a crush on Stacey for years, but it wasn't the right time for the couple, as the Loose Women star was already in a relationship at the time. He was reportedly left gutted when he discovered that Stacey had started dating American celeb Steve-O. An inside source had previously claimed to the Mirror at the time, Joe really fancies Stacey. He was gutted to hear she is dating someone but thinks he may still have a chance. Express.co.uk has contacted a representative for Joe for comment. Stacey dated US prankster Steve-O from the hit show Jackass for approximately 6 months until the pair split in July 2015. Soon afterwards in January 2016, Stacey and Joe were spotted together arm in arm. The stars went Instagram official that same month, with Stacey sharing a snap of her new boyfriend holding a bouquet of flowers. She told the publication, "It's going really well. We're having fun, spending time together and getting to know each other." While Joe told OK! Magazine, "She's lovely, she's an amazing person. I'm really lucky." In 2020, Joe got down on one knee on Christmas Eve to propose to Stacey while out on a walk in the woods opposite their house. The star posted a picture of herself flashing the ring on Instagram, where she was clearly overcome with emotion. She wrote, "He asked me to marry him, and after crying for what felt like a very long time, I said yes." Addressing Joe, she continued, "To the moon and back, bub. I have no words." Stacey and Joe share 2 children together, their 2-year-old son Rex and their daughter Rose, who they welcomed in October of last year. The star also has 2 sons from her previous relationships, 13-year-old Zachary and 9-year-old Layden. In addition, Stacey is stepmother to Joe's 14-year-old son Harry, whose mother is the latter's ex-partner Emma Sophocleous. The family live together in their house, Pickle Cottage, which is located in Essex.